today. Yes, it is fluffy here. We have the LOL OMG Fashion Show Mega Runway. Even though I seen the listing on Amazon and it was listed as the extreme surprise. But we're about to start and get this open for y'all. Here is the barcode. Let's see. So mine comes with a number 1. If you can see that right there, it's a number 1. So there is Velcro, friends. Velcro right here and right here. And we let this down. Then number 2 tells us to fold out, which is the number 2. Just to fold this out. This part right here turns into a makeup station. It's so cute. Open up number 3. Ooh, let's see what we get. Okay, number 3 is, it looks like some sort of glasses. Does this come out? Okay, no. Okay, so 3 is some glasses. There's something else in here, but let me see if I can get it. See those 2 circles? These 2 circles up here? I don't know. Might not be. Let me get my scissors. Be very careful when opening up number 3, so you can make it a cat eye look or not a cat eye look and just have a little half look. So it really depends on your style, and I like that. That's a nice, intricate detail. MGA and LOLSURPRISE are known for the details, okay? Okay. All right, 4. Let's see what's in number 4. Ooh, for one that's hot. This is so cute. Looks like a little, I want to say, look to me like a little snowsuit coat. You're number 5. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Either headphones or snow earmuffs. Depending. I think they're earmuffs though. Get them out. Ooh. Very cute. Very, I love the flower detail on these. Very pretty. Just like this, like rose gold, bronzy gold color motif. Number 6 looks a little tricky, but I'm gonna use my scissors. Ooh, hold on. Use my scissors to pop this out too. I don't wanna mess it up. Ooh. Number 6 is bunny ears. Too adorable. Can y'all see that furry fabric on there? Oh my gosh, it's a furry fabric on there. So cute. Number 7 is on the mirror. Let me try to get it out. Don't want to mess nothing up. What's in number 7? Ooh, surprise. It's taped in there, so it must be important. They got it taped in there really, really good. Is that not spectacular? And number 8 is on the other side of this cute little mirror. Right here. Ooh! Look at this. Look at these boots. These little top boots. 9 is right here. Scissors. If you have nails like me, 9. Ooh! And it's taped in there. I like that they taped it. Okay. Okay. Nothing else in here. This bangle. Too cute. It's 10. I don't want to miss anything. Ooh. 10 is a little perfume bottle. That's so cute. Ooh. I'm gonna say these are earrings for an OMG because they have a little back and it looks cute. So far, so good. It looks like maybe something can hang on to the earring because this is where you would stick it in, right? And then maybe something can hang right there. So we're gonna find out. Neonlicious, yeah. 11 is where Neonlicious is. Okay, by the mirror. 11, ooh, some more Tot shoes. Very pretty, folks. 12 is down here. Ooh, oh my gosh, another outfit. So cute. Oh, okay, look at this outfit. Isn't this cute? 13. Ooh, let's see what happens. 13. It's a skirt, friends. Definitely some more Tot clothes. 14 is going to be the dressing room. This playset is just too cute. I love all the references to the original OMGs. Okay, friends, let's open number 15. It is the chandelier up here. And I'm going to need my scissors. 15. This is so fun. I love opening these things just for the whole unboxing experience. Oh my God, so cute. 16 is the other chandelier light, I guess. Ooh, something big in here. Ooh, shoes. Lovely. And then all this stuff is pink, which Fluffy's favorite color is pink. Y'all know I love me a pink moment, okay? Oh, 17 is these little light symbols right here. Ooh, a true surprise. Ooh, and something else back there too. Hold on. Come on out with your cute self. It's a sticker of little Agent Baby. So cute. That was 17, and then I'm guessing. Let's see. Oh my gosh! Look at her. Adorable. Look how pretty she is. Oh, so stinking cute. Look how cute she is. Isn't this adorable? Look at her hair. Look at her. 18. Ooh, 18. Look at this. Look at these. This is perfection. This is detail. Look at the detail on this. OMG. 19. Ooh, 19. Ooh. This is 19. And then 20. If I can get it open. Oh, 20's right here. Ooh. This is number 20. Very cute. Bam. And it's set up like this for 21, right above the coat. I like how they taped it in there so it won't, with it being so tiny, it won't fall out immediately. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shoes. Platform snow boots. 22. Ooh, 22. This is something big. Ooh, okay. I already know. This pink and minty rose gold coloring scheme. Look at the shoes. Go with the necklace, go with the earmuffs. This is all, look at this detail, you guys. Look at the paint job. Like, they really did a good job. This is really very beautiful. And then the boot split up the back, yes. And then I see something else going on with the boot. Hold on, look at this. The boot transforms. So you can have booties, little short boots if you want, or you can have the long version. So you can have the short version or the long version, and it just sits right on top of it. Fire. 23. 23 has a little indentation up here. Oh my gosh, what do we got? What is gonna, What do y'all think? And then they're rose gold. So to me, they go with this stuff right here, whoever's wearing all this stuff. 24. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Some cute little shoes, tot shoes on the front, so cute. All right, 25. Ooh, little tot dress, so cute. The different color leopards, slay. I love leopard. That's like my favorite animal print ever. We're done with the dressing room. So now it's telling us to spin from front to back. So we're going to turn it around. See, isn't that cute? That's so cute. And then you got the couch and all that stuff going on, but that's okay. And it's cute because it's like everybody's behind dressing room, makeup room, behind the curtain. Let's slide 31 out. Ooh. So then these are like seats. See how this is like a little chair and seats? And I'm guessing this one's gonna be the next one too, but yeah. Little seating area. But let me open up 32 for y'all so y'all can see, so we can get to it. I don't wanna mess it up. Well, too late for that. I've been trying to perforate my edges very nicely. Okay, and this is what we got out of 32. Ooh, since I got this early, there's a QR code to scan, and you can scan this code to unbox, but I scanned it, and probably because I have my items so early, this is not working yet. But when you guys, by the time you guys order it, it'll probably be working, so yeah. Okay, let me get out 32. What's going on? Ooh, 32 Snow Leopard's pet. We love a good pet, don't we? So pretty. Look at it. Look at the detail, the leopard detail. Oh my God, the earring. Oh my God, so cute. Okay, friends, so we've got it back to the front, and now we are going to open items 36 through 35. 52. Ooh, 52. I see leopard print and I'm in love. Ooh, a pink leopard print. Oh, it's really camo print, but just so cute for my top. 53 is down here too. Low power. Can I see? 53 is down here, and it is another accessory. If I can get it out. Okay. This is another pink, bronzy pink. Because it's like an iridescent pink, and the camera is not picking it up well. Let me put it down here. But this pink is very, very like, depending on the way you hold it in the light, depends on how you see this pink. A whole little family of joy, all the stuff goes together. Okay, friends, so 62 and 63 are the big reveal to our friend Styles. How you doing, sweetie? Isn't she so pretty? And then we have sachets. Yes, they are so cute. Okay, friends, so I got her unboxed, and I just want to show you guys. Look at her detail on her scalp. Her little undercut, her side cut is so cute, and it's a braid. Her hair is gorgeous. I love this hair with the little subtle streak right here. So pretty, y'all. And then, like, look at her stand. Her stand is sparkly light pink. Come on now. You guys know I'm a fan of pink. She's so cute. This little outfit she comes in, she can just wear this little romper to me. To me, she's fine like this. She is cute. Like, I'm so in love with her so far. Like, this fall's winter OMGs are so cute. I got her out the package. I just want to show y'all how pretty she is. Like, look at the close-up of her. Look at the detailing. She's already dressed, so that's good for parents opening up for their children. Look at the back of her hair. Look at this pink on red dye job that they did. I love the pink undertone, or what is it? Pink low light. That's what it is. I love the pink low light, and then the two pink streaks in the front. I just love this hair color on this skin. It is so pretty. Look at her lips. Look at her nails. Like, they're gold too. Like, everything about her. She is cute. OMG, friends. I'm getting her dressed. Hey, friends. This is the final setup. Oh my gosh. Look at everybody. Isn't everybody so cute? I finally got everybody dressed up. Look at Styles. I got her little belt bag on. Love her hair. I love that it's like textured black girl hair. It's not bone straight. Look at sachets. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I prefer her gown / coat on this side, but that's just me. You can put it on either way. And then y'all, look at her purse. Isn't that adorable? Like, the fact that they would do that. Here's our family, okay? So the Snow Leopard family go with sachet, and then this is Styles' little sister and baby. So cute. And here are our new friends. OMG. The dog, her name is Undercover Doggy. So cute. My fave with the braided ponytail, her name is Agent Baby Light. Sorry, y'all. She's my boo. She is my favorite with these heart earrings. Okay, the little chain belt, her hair, like, she's my #1 new favorite. LOL, OMG. Look at Ice, looking so iced out and pretty. I love her platform shoes more than anything. Bunny, y'all, look at the detail on Snow Bunny. Look at her pink print. It's so cute. And then, like, her shoes go with the skirt, her bunny ears, her hair detail. Cute. I love the detail on her. Like, the camo, they basically took camo and made it snazzy, okay? So cute. She's just so adorable. Her earrings, oh my gosh, so cute. Like, they're just all adorable. This set is so cute. Like I said, I can't get enough. Everything is just so cute. Like, we have a makeup station, a dressing room, and a runway that actually works. Let's see the runway. See? You just pull this and your doll can move on it. Ice has like the tallest shoes. And look at Ice on the runway. You just pull her around. Just so cute how they just go around this runway like this, and they go all the way around, and you just pull them, and you can turn them, and they can turn anyway and work. Cover girl, work it girl. Okay. Yes, I think that this is worth every penny. This definitely makes up for last year's set that was like, it wasn't cohesive. We didn't have like, see how I'm getting like a family to go with each OMG. Again, very cute. Like, my favorite thing about her is this purse, her hair, and just the doll in general. I cannot wait to mix and match. The mix and match possibilities of these two are so good for this set. So again, and even with the tops, you can mix and match the top clothes. You don't have to do it exactly how you want it to. So all in all, I'm very happy with this set. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye now.